Hi and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So this morning my sweet corn has been knocked over by a storm. None of them have snapped, they're all just leaning. So what I'm going to do is make a grid to get them all back up again and see what we can salvage. So what I have are these metal poles. I do find them a little bit better than bamboo because they are taller and they will last forever. So they're like a metal, and what they come with are these strips, so it's easier to make a grid. These are actually the strips that I use for my cucumber in the greenhouse as well, because they are that bit taller. So these just simply snap on there, and you can make all sorts of grids with these. It's a little bit of like a gardener's Meccano, I guess, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to make a grid to support the sweet corn, because if we've had one set of high winds, we'll probably have more, and they're not quite ready to harvest yet. So this area to support them is roughly 3 of these across, so I need 4 poles to support them. So to do that, I'm going to put them in at least a foot deep. And then I'm just going to measure that across, put another one in, and get that out of the way. The ground is nice and soft, so they're going in nicely. And then one more in the other corner. There. And then I can start to connect these up. I'm just going to pop these crossbars across. I'm going to clip them in this way round, because the wind comes from that way round. Comes from the back to the front, as you can see from the way the sweet corn have fallen. I'm just going to hold them up. I'll just clip these in about a foot up and this way round. The wind comes from back to front, as you can see by the way they've fallen. And I'm going to pop the next one in. Ooh. Might help if I put the sweet corn behind it. I'm just going to do this last one for the bottom rope. So we're like the end of September here, so and we have been quite lucky, but I really don't want to lose this sweet corn. And now I'm just going to put them nicely spaced out all the way across, just to give that extra support. So now I'm around the back of the sweet corn. I'm going to pop the poles in lengthways, so I need to take a crossbar and pop it back to front. So I'm just measuring up this one where I need it to go. I'm going to push it in. So then this will stop this one from hitting this one. So for this last one, this one needs to be in line with the one at the front and the one to the side. So just gonna make sure that's right. And that looks okay. I'll just stick that in. And then I'm going to put some in across so that it's more supported as a structure, really. So then we've got a nice box cage supporting our sweet corn, saved the two that fell, and hopefully any more winds, because they're certainly not dying down too much at the moment, won't harm my sweet corn. So this is how I support my sweet corn in extremely high winds. Ordinarily they don't need it. Thankfully they have a really good root structure. You can really see how they anchor themselves for high winds. But I just needed them up off the floor. So I've made a cage to do that. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.